Triple E class vessels mark a major break from convention in hull and engine design. Moving the engines further to the back of the vessel allows space for additional containers, improving the economies of the vessel further. These changes, along with super long-stroke engines, lead to greatly enhanced fuel efficiency and reducing CO2 emissions by some 50% compared to industry average on the Asia-Europe trade lane. The propulsion comes from 2 engines and 2 propellers. Accordingly, a twin-island hull design is applied.